Champions League.
Supporting Manchester United.
I started in season 2004-2005. The turning point that I really knew that I like United was the game against Arsenal, the away game. We drew, it was 2-2 and Ronaldo scored both the goals. So that was really like a turning point.
Okay, but why do you choose, like, of all the teams, why do you choose United?
Because I had seen them play first and I just knew that I really liked the way they played. That was the first time, and in Premier League I think we were the best that time. Since then we have been doing really well consistently. So I just knew that this is the kind of football that, you know, the beautiful game as they call football. I knew Manchester United are the one that actually live up to it. So I think.
And who's your favourite player all this while? Who has been your favorite?
There hasn't been one over the years, but
Continue.
I'm really fond of Giggs and
Start again, Giggs wala.
Okay. Like there hasn't been one like particular, but I'm really fond of Giggs and Rooney. Rooney, I mean, I've seen him like since he started, and his temper, how he's controlled it, his quality, his control. From being a 16-year-old in Merseyside to here that he is now, it's been amazing. His growth has been tremendous.
And, since when you have been coming to MFCM, and like why you have been coming to MFCM?
MUFCM is a different experience altogether. I mean, it's the closest, it's the best atmosphere that you can get, and so many supporters in one room. It gives me pride that, you know, the thing that the club that I am fond of, there are many others. So it's the best experience. I mean, the thrill of watching the matches at MUFCM, the chants, everything, you know, it shows so much unity. So I really like MUFCM.
So what has been your favourite moment so far at MFCM?
Us winning the 19th league title. I mean, since the beginning till the end, there was not a moment where I felt that United is not worthy of it. This season we've really done well, and everybody around really appreciated it. The chants and, you know, during the match, the moments, everything was just amazing.
Okay, if I ask you, like, summarize MFCM in one word, what will be? Don't say bad.
No, not fast. I'd say
You can use a couple of words, but
MUFCM in one word. I think I'd like to say, I don't know, I need time to think. I don't know.
it's supporting Manchester United.
I think since 2008, my friend, like there was this friend, you know, who used to love football, and then, you know, he made me watch Euro 2008, and then, you know, I started thinking football is not that bad because firstly, you know, I didn't understand football first, but then after 2008, I started knowing what is football, and then, you know, and yeah, that friend was a United fan, so he used to tell me about all the legends, about, you know, the legends, all the legendary matches and all. So I used to know about it, but that time I didn't watch it like properly. But yes, like I used to watch some of the matches.
He was saying backwards हो रहा था,
नहीं जा रहा है, आगे जा रहा है.
तो उतना हुआ होगा.
Much happiness. Then I knew that United were the team for me.
So how was your reaction when John Terry messed up penalty? Or
That time, no, actually, first when Cristiano Ronaldo missed the penalty, I really was so sad. I was so upset. You know, he had scored the goal and he missed the penalty. In fact, even I was abusing him. But when Terry missed the penalty, I was like, oh shit, we have this great chance. And when Anelka like missed it and Van der Sar was celebrating, I can't even describe that feeling. It just was amazing, really amazing.
and, who has been your favourite player all this while?
I know many people will be choosing Ryan Giggs, but he deserves it. I actually don't care what's with his personal life, but I respect him as a player. I really like his temperament. He has been so calm. He has been so sincere. He has been like playing in Manchester United since like 25 years. That's a long time. And yeah, he's the only player who has not got a red card in Manchester United. That says a lot about his temperament. So yeah, he has been very sincere. He has been a very good player. So I think it's just Ryan Giggs.
And, since when did you know about MFCM, and like why do you come to MFCM? Why not sit at home and watch them?
Actually, it's sad that I just came to know about MUFC just recently. I didn't know about it before. So I just came to know about it like 1 year back, and you know, and like it's like I should have known about it before. Okay, wait. Okay.
When did you come to know about MFCM? And
Yeah, it's 1 year back and all. I think I read it online and I joined that group, but I didn't know what did people do and all. But yeah, I had met you, and should I tell the name?
That's okay.
I had met you and then you had told me about the like people coming. There are so many people who are watching the game and all. So I decided I'll go for my first match was this Liverpool match and the United match. It was a joint screening and yes, we won. So it gave me immense pleasure. And
why do you prefer coming to MUFCM rather than sitting at home and watching it?
because sitting at home is just like you can watch all the boring matches at home and just celebrate. But when you're with so many people, there's so much of passion, there's so much of enthusiasm. You just are so happy about it. You don't even. I can see that you'll be such.
Say, you're not the only
Nee.
one.
Like when you're alone and if your team is losing, you will be very sad about it. But if you're in an MUFCM screening and you know there are so many people who are like with you, who are with you and who are supporting your team that much, and
What has been your favorite screening so far?
yeah, I've just been to like 2 screenings and hopefully I'll go for more. Actually, I will go for more. And yeah, my favorite has been the last match, the final match where we won the 19th title. And it was just amazing. I felt so proud to be a Manchester United fan that time. I swear I can't describe that feeling. That match was really amazing. And the chants, everything about that match is very memorable.
And I know you have a couple of Liverpool fans, so anything you want to say to Liverpool after winning the 19th?
Say about this.
Tell them suck it.
I would just say suck it in your face because they have not been winning anything like in the recent years, and now we have just proved that we are the best English team. And even if they tell about the 5 Champions League matches, but like now what have they been winning? It's very United. It's the feeling of being there at MUFCM is wonderful. I think.
Just couple of words. Just say United.
Yeah.
Just say United. That's it.
United. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just one message for Liverpool fans. Don't rub it in our face. We knocked you off your fucking perch.